Seeing the people, like the tree huggers, like they climb up in the tree and climb up there and take food and just stay because they want to protect the tree. I felt that way about the hood.
Is that a light that I see? I think it's talking to me. It grabs your hold on me. Nothing else. Won't you shake me out? There's nothing I can do. There's nothing that I feel. Yet I see you still staring at me.
Working on the south side of town and seeing the tour bus just zoom through the African American neighborhoods and then slow down when it got to the River Arts District. A conversation with my mother talking about what life was like for her growing up here, and then finally it was like seeing all these African American neighborhoods and monuments being erased. Like the Pearson building, the land we tried to buy, the founder of our neighborhood, E.W. Pearson, they tore down that building. That was something that said, hey, that was history. And the time in 2003 when they was talking about closing down the community center because of all the drugs.
And that's not just a community center, that was the elementary school that was black-only elementary school. His mom went to that elementary school. So it's a historical building and people don't realize that it's not just a community center.
Asheville's a multi-billion-dollar tourism town, and nobody was talking about African-American history and culture. She's the first African-American Morris Hill University. They said her grandfather was used as collateral when they was building a university when they ran out of money. Those combination of things just pulled me into this direction of doing this.
And I think ultimately you're working on a model that could be replicated in other cities, other communities who struggle with these same issues, because we're not unique.
Right.
I wish we were.
It was designed with love in mind. The tour was started to say, what we gonna do now for the future where everybody can be included and feel respected and valued.
It's for anyone who wants to see what the truth of urban renewal and gentrification and resilient communities looks like. And this tour is really designed to talk about the reality, but to infuse hope. In order for us to heal what we're talking about healing, which is on a cultural and a societal level, everybody needs healing.